Now, whether you're looking at Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, go on down the list. You can look at the NASDAQ. You can look at Amazon, Apple. It doesn't matter. Everything is down today, and there's some reasoning behind that. We have some economic news that was released this morning that is leading a lot of people to believe a recession is in store. Now, it also means that we could see a lowering of interest rates coming up pretty soon as well to fight the upcoming or looming recession talks. But of course, we'll get into that in a second here. We're going to be going over in this video how many people holding Shiba Inu Coin are making money versus how many people are underwater right now. And then, well, everybody buying Pepe Unchained is making money because the price continues to increase every single, it's not even a full week that it takes. Every single stage of this pre-sale, the price increases. So everybody's holding steady in Pepe Unchained. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below to pull this up here. We're going to go over it in a second, but first, we got to go over Shiba Inu Coin. We got to go over the cryptocurrency market, and we've got to go over this unemployment rate here in the United States. And you know what? Let's start there, because Bitcoin is down, Shiba Inu Coin is down, Ethereum is down today, and it has a lot to do with this news. Now, expectations for the unemployment rate were at 4.1%. That's what consensus estimates were at, and that was in line with the previous reading at 4.1% unemployment. A very strong tick up in the unemployment rate today brought us to 4.3%. That was extremely unexpected, and that's why you're seeing the decline in Bitcoin and Shiba Inu Coin and the stock market and so on today, is because the unemployment rate rose more than expected. Now, it's not just that. It's everything that goes along with that. It's everything that investors are now anticipating because of a rising unemployment rate. Shiba Inu Coin falling down because less people with jobs, less people are going to be spending, less people are spending, the economy is going to contract, and then we're in a recession. Okay, well, more people unemployed, it's same deal, right? You go on down the line, and people's, train of thought is that this is going to lead to an upcoming recession. I don't know if we get there or not, but that's why people are reacting the way that they are. Now, look at this article here. It says that Shiba Inu Coin is currently going down. The cryptocurrency market has dipped substantially over the last 24 hours, with numerous leading digital assets deep in the red. The popular meme coin, Shiba Inu Coin, is no exception, losing around 3% of its valuation, currently around 1,531 points per coin, whereas its market capitalization is hovering around the $9 billion mark. Somewhat expectedly, the correction has negatively affected SHIB investors. According to end-of-the-block data, the percentage of holders underwater is 48.1%, and it has slightly surpassed those sitting on paper profits at 47.7%. The situation looked much more optimistic in March this year, when the price entered an impressive bull run, and at the time, 65% of the meme coin investors were in the green. Guys, 50% of everybody who holds Shiba Inu Coin is in the red right now. 50% are making money, 50% are losing money. We are at a very crucial stage for Shiba Inu Coin. Usually when you're about split half and half like this, it does lead to a very strong level of support. And I do hope that that is what we see here on Shiba Inu Coin. But a lot of discussion about the unemployment rate, a lot of discussion about a potential upcoming recession could lead Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, the stock market, and so on even lower. Now, here's the thing that you have to be focused on. Recessions, they don't end the world. Recessions, it might create tough times for a lot of people, but we always bounce back. And when we do, if you can bounce back out of this situation, life-changing wealth is generated. If you're willing to buy when everybody else is afraid, if you're willing to buy when everybody else is running scared, that's when you make the most money. And that's the situation that we could be coming up against here, is that things might get very difficult. But if you continue to buy Shiba Inu Coin, and you continue to buy Pepe Unchained and other meme coins out there, what's going to happen when we fight the recession, right? You're going to see the Fed coming out and saying, we need to lower interest rates. And then they lower interest rates, and we come back down near 0%. Money is essentially free to borrow. People are spending once again, and all of a sudden the economy is thriving. The stimulus has worked. They stimulate the economy. So what we'll end up with is a booming scenario and economic growth. And when that happens, retail investors will feel rich. Retail investors will be pouring back in. And I've seen a lot of, I don't know. Let's just put it this way. A lot of posts out on X. I don't know if they're analysts or not. I've seen a lot of people posting out on X expecting very low interest rates by the time we reach the end of 2025. Guys, the end of 2025 could coincide perfectly with the 4-year bear to bull market cycle. The peak, having 4 years in succession for the last 3 bull markets. If it happens again, it could happen perfectly at the time when interest rates are reaching fresh lows. And if that happens, guys, these tiny little meme coins that are being built right now could see the largest percentage gains. Pepe Unchained is very easy to buy. If you guys are interested, you simply click Connect Wallet. Use Wallet Connect to scan the QR code here. And then from there, you just determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to grab 1 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 339,628 Pepe or Pepe Unchained. Pepe Unchained is a layer 2 blockchain built for meme coins. Yes, it is cheaper than the rest. Yes, it is faster than the rest. Yes, it's going to have its own dedicated block explorer. But its focus on meme coins is going to be what draws in the retail investor when they decide to return from this, I don't know, rock that they're living under right now. Retail investors are nowhere to be found. Cryptocurrency interest out on Google is the lowest level that it has ever been. Now is the time to build. Guys, I don't know how high the unemployment rate is going to go. I don't know how many people are going to be underwater in Shiba Inu Coin and unable to average down. What I do know is that the cyclical nature of the market always repeats itself. And retail will return one day. This blue line is going to go up, and your prices, your portfolios are going to rise in value. What they want to happen along the way is for you to give up down in this area right here. What they want to happen is for you to sell down in this area so that the institutions and the whales can buy in and then take advantage of this very brief, but I guess imminent spike in retail interest. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys are doing. Let me know what you think about the price of Shiba Inu Coin right now, Pepe Unchained, all of these meme coins. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.